Is your recipe collection a mess? Cookbooks and recipe cards everywhere? Get organized with Family Cookbook Project. Create a beautifully printed personal cookbook. Here's how it works. Easily gather all your recipes in one place, from digital files to handwritten notes to beloved cookbooks, and enter them online. Upload them to familycookbookproject.com and watch the magic happen. Use our tools to customize your cookbook with recipe layouts, photos, personal notes, and a professionally designed cookbook cover. Recipes can be divided into categories and are indexed in the back of the cookbook. Print your cookbook and share with family and friends while preserving treasured family recipes for future generations. Thousands have already transformed their recipe chaos into beautiful cookbooks. Now it's your turn! Get started organizing your recipes today at familycookbookproject.com.